which are your favorite ornaments? Show me.
This is my favorite one, and this is my favorite one. And
Notice the colors.
My favorite one.
Oh, Daddy bought that for her tonight, a little bunny.
This is my favorite.
Turn it around. What is that?
It's a house for a bunny.
Oh, of course it is.
All these are my favorites.
Okay, Asher. Asher. Come tell me what your favorite ornament is, Jordan.
This one, I'll show you. The fox ornament. Gotta be careful because it's homemade. It can break easily.
But what does the fox say?
Ring, ding, 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 ding.
Of course it does. And you, Asher?
My favorite is the penguin. You can put it